Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm actually going to be talking about what is it? Not June. The July Boxycharm. So it recently came in for me. Me and the owners of Boxycharm are actually kind of super close. We actually met on a website where lonely people find each other that have similar cats, so that's where we found each other actually. And every month, like before anyone gets it, she actually sends this to me. And I like to review the unique products she gives me because they're always different from what someone else gives me. So yeah, if you guys just want to keep on watching, then just stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so the first product that we got, it looks to be like Jeffree Star lipstick. Let me see. I think it's in the flavor red rum. So, I heard this formula is actually pretty good, so let me swatch this for you guys real quick. Let's see here. Okay, wow. This color is super nice. Hold on. Let me swatch it for you guys real quick. I don't have my glasses right now, so I can barely see anything, so I'm just gonna... see how many times that goes. Look at that fucking color. That is nice. Alright. I would probably never use this, but I'll just add it to my collection of things I never use. So, there's that one. The next one is actually, let's check. It is gonna be the Beauty Bakery Cake Mix Demi Matte Foundation. Garbage. Alright, so this thing actually looks pretty snazzy. I actually heard of the company because they, what's it called? They were doing that like flour powder that everyone seems to like, but I like their whole thing. It seems a little gimmicky to me, but I mean, I'm just an interviewer, you know? Ooh, something that I did see was that Jackie Ann had tried this out and, oh, what's it called? She tried it out, but she said if you don't use the oil that it's supposed to come with, then this shit is gonna look like dry on your skin. So, if you can get the oil, get it, but if you're gonna, I don't know how much it is, but yeah, if you're gonna try to get it, I'd probably go get this and get it with the oil and then see if it works. If you don't like it, I don't know. Well, I guess you're screwed. Anyways, next item for you guys. Let's see in my little box of magic for you. Let's see. Alright, so this one is a big one. That's a little, oh shoot. So this next one is actually gonna be the Perfect Men's Multivitamin. I don't know why there's a men in here because obviously a Boxycharm goes to women, so I'll happily take these though. Thank you, Boxycharm. Let's see. A blend of vitamins A, B, C, D, B, Z, A, B, C, D, E, B's, zinc, and lycopene, whatever that is. Let's see. Yeah, it's got the usual, you gotta eat too. Alright, that's boring. So, we got the pills out of the way. This one was a little weird though, because I didn't understand it, because it was like in two different kinds of packaging, but I'll show you guys in just a little bit. So, let's open this sucker up for you, and then pull out this thing. So, I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but if you go to the grocery store, it's literally Greek yogurt, right? But when I like opened it, watch. I don't know if you guys could see, but it's literally like powder. And then I emailed the owner like what it was, and then she just said it was supposed to be colloidal oatmeal, and I was like, what in the heck is colloidal oatmeal? And then she was like, She was like, it's supposed to be like oatmeal, but it's ground up super fine, so you can use it in like your home face mask to like soothe irritation. So I might use that though. I might eat it. Who knows? Good source of protein, you know? So we got that one, Dunzo. And this other one was like crazy huge. I don't even know how it fit in the box. Oh, God, sorry. Keep getting freaking hiccups. Alright, so let's open this sucker up for you. Oh. Alright, so this thing is the Oregon, Virginia coconut oil. And basically, this is like the best kind of coconut oil you could get because it's cold pressed and unrefined. When you're looking for a coconut oil, you want to make sure it's those two. I wish this came in a jar or a glass jar because glass jars just hold things better, you know, like a mason jar. But I guess this is like good. And plus, okay, one hint for you guys. Coconut oil, on a chart of oils, it actually has a highly chance to clog your pores, so try not to put it on your face if you can. What coconut oil is super good for though is like conditioning the hair after you're out of the shower, or if you like put it in your like elbows or your knees, that's pretty good. Just don't try to put it anywhere with pores or else it might clog them. Alright, so I guess that's the last, wait, how many was that? That was 1, 2, 3, 4, oh yeah, oh 5, yeah, I got 5, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, so, that is going to be all for my Boxycharm, and if you guys want to see what I think of it, then just wait till the end. Alrighty guys, so about this Boxycharm, I have mixed feelings. So like, I like some things, and then some things are a little bit wonky, a little bit more than unusual. Like, the last time I did one of these, I got like a freaking knife in there, which doesn't make any sense, but you know, whatever. I don't judge. If I'm getting free stuff, I do not judge it, unless they want me to, you know? Hashtag not sponsored. Or is it? But, okay. This, oh my god. So this lipstick, I forgot to put it on my face, but looks dry to me. So that's a good one. Oh my god, just kidding, it didn't dry, there's red all over my hand. Abort mission. So that's a lie. I thought it would have dried faster. The foundation, oh, I didn't even try it. Let me swatch it on my other, oh, you know what? Let me swatch it on the cheek with the red to see if it covers it up, you know? Ooh, that was a thick one. Thick pump. Alright, oh, I can't really see anything. Oh, sorry. The reason I'm looking over there is because that's where I have, like, my ring light standing behind the camera so I could, like, see it because I don't got that fancy shit that all the gurus have, you know? Eventually I'll be there, but right now I don't got that. So, hold on. Let me put on my glasses real quick. Well, that looks like garbage, so I'm gonna give the Beauty Bakery thumbs down. What else we got? The Kalota oatmeal, I'm still gonna have to try that, even though it's in the weird Greek yogurt container. I'm gonna have to keep trying it, do stuff with it. We'll see what happens after that. And then the vitamins, I like any kind of vitamins, so this is always gonna be a plus for me. So we got, oh, coconut oil all the way. You can put it in your hair, you can cook with it, so that's a double thumbs up for me. So we got coconut thumbs up, vitamins thumbs up, Jeffree Star lipstick. I'm gonna put it in the middle because I don't know if it dried all the way. Then we got the Beauty Bakery, which is a thumbs down for me. And then the Kalota oatmeal, which is thumbs up for me. So I guess that kind of sums up what I think of all the products that I got in here. I honestly think that, like, I hate when people say, ooh, like my video, subscribe. I mean, honestly, if you guys like my videos, you guys will like them if you want, you know? And if you want to subscribe, you could subscribe. I'm not gonna stop you, I ain't gonna say shit, but if you guys want to follow me on my Snapchat, I'm probably gonna post that. I want to get more views and more likes and whatnot, so I'm gonna post my Snapchat, my Instagram, and my Twitter. My Twitter's a little weird because I kind of post like motivational things that I see throughout the day and stuff. So I guess like if you're into that, I would follow that. But Instagram, definitely. I'm posting a lot of bomb selfies recently, you know. And then yeah, and then Snapchat if you want to see my daily life. I always put like the weirdest shit. Plus, you can finally meet my cat Purd, which will probably appear in my later videos. But yeah, alright. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.